Warrington.
Okay, and how long have you been in China?
6 years.
6 years?
Yeah.
Mind if I ask what you do?
Work at the embassy.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
And compared to back home in China, are there big differences or similarities that you can share with us?
A few differences. Obviously, the Chinese food. Back
Okay.
at home, it's not as good as it.
Do you like this food?
Oh God, yeah, it's so nice.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
And for example, if you run out of cosmetics,
Yeah.
how do you usually do? You shop online or use a beauty app, or you just walk into the store?
No, I go home for them.
So you stock.
I don't purposely go home for the cosmetics. I'll
Okay.
go home and stock up.
Okay. Mind if I ask what some brands that you use?
Like MAC, and probably like L'Oreal and stuff.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Have you ever tried Korean cosmetics? Are you familiar with Korean cosmetics?
No.
Okay. Hopefully we could get you going. No 7, no 4.
Yeah.
Okay, so play a quick game and then I'll get you on your way. Okay.
Thank you.
Cool. Just click the black button.
Come on.
Okay.
not
No 7, no 4. No 7, no 4. Oh, jump.
Oh, are you kidding me?
It's okay. Can I just ask you one thing then? Do you mind downloading our app? And I'll get you a free gift.
Sure.
A free lipstick.
Okay.
And we have a lipstick for you.
Thank you very much.
And have a nice evening.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you for your time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.